for a ride and came across a pretty girl who took him inside. Johnny asked the pretty girl if he could take her hand. She became his wife and they bought a piece of land. They raised up a family and they raised up the wood that built their first cottage and it held like it should. Johnny told the pretty girl, "Let her love you so." She looked back at Johnny and said, "Johnny boy, I know, I know." And we all shine a light, little darling. We all want someone. We're all afraid of tomorrow just a little. We all dance circles round the sun till it's done. You're the one. Johnny went out one day with a shotgun by his side. His family didn't trust him to keep them all alive. He stumbled upon a black bear and knocked down his gun. Johnny couldn't reach it, so he fixed up to run. The bear caught up to Johnny, knocked it to the ground. Johnny thought of his little girl and he beat that bear down. The moral of the story, if there's a woman by your side, there's nothing that a man can do just to stay alive, stay alive. And we all shine a light, little darling. We all want someone. We're all afraid of tomorrow just a little. We all dance circles around the sun. And we all shine a light, little darling. We all want someone. We're all afraid of tomorrow just a little. And we all dance circles around the sun till it's done. And you're the one.